Alright, so the first step is taking the force sensor out of the box. You can hold it like this with 2 fingers. And then you're going to turn it on with this button on the side right here. It'll turn it on if you press that. And then you set it back in the box, hold it nice and flat, and then shut the box.
Okay, so now to attach the force sensor to the spring, so maybe other way. Make sure it's facing this way, or else it won't stay in the helmet.
And this is a 2-person job.
You basically just want to tie 2 knots like this, and then make sure it's tight.
And you really want it to kind of look like this. Kind of smiley face. Good. The first thing you want to do is you want to stick the string through the spring, and you want to have it laying out to the front. Next, you're going to put the helmet on top of the force sensor. Wrap the string over the helmet, and have somebody hold it on the middle.
And then whenever the person is holding the rope, have the rope go through the same spot of where it is before. And then go through the ear, where it looks like this, and then pull it tight.
But be sure to always hold the middle one, because it'll slip off.
Go over,
Back through the ear hole.
through the ear, and then tighten. Go through the same spot in the spring before. And put it through the ear. Pull tight. And then wrap around into the ear. And then tighten as best as you can.
Be sure to try to get all the slack out and make it tighter. So after you've completed the assembly of the helmet, you can twist it whichever way you want, or whichever side you want to hit. You can do this. Or this. Alright, cool. So when you're testing on the back over our hammer mechanism, you're gonna have to have 3 people to assemble the helmet. You have to have 1 person holding the string at all times. And it's like their best friend. They never want to let go of the rope. So you're going to pull the string. You need to put your foot on the thing. You're just going to hold it up like this until you're going to hold this until the helmet is put together. And this is a very important job.